Casey Causley and I'm a consultant at QED Environmental Services. So a comprehensive chemical management plan first begins with a complete assessment of the site we're assessing. The first thing we do is we go to site and we check all the main areas where chemicals may be stored. That's your cleaners rooms, your paint stores, or your working areas. Then we make sure that all of those chemicals are correctly bundled in the right areas and that incompatible materials aren't stored with each other. So our next step from there is to return to the office and complete a chemical stock register. A chemical stock register is a complete list of all of the products that you have on site, where they're stored, and when they're stored incorrectly. RISKLOG, I think, is really useful for 5 reasons. The first reason is that it's really easy to use. QED does a lot of the back-end data entry for you, so when you log into RISKLOG, all you see is a really comprehensive and yet concise list of all of the chemical products that you have and where they are in your building. So number 2 is its accessibility. RISKLOG is designed so that it's really easy for a building manager to sign into the portal, but also for that building manager to share the information to contractors, tenants, and anyone else who really needs to use the information. It's also really portable. You can even do it on your phone. Number 3 is that we keep it regularly updated. A criteria for a relevant SDS or safety data sheet is that it has to have been revised within the last 5 years. What QED does is we maintain the SDSs that are available on RISKLOG and make sure that anything that is listed at your site is the most current form available. Number 4 is that it's much more environmentally friendly than printing off ream after ream of safety data sheets. And finally, working with QED and RISKLOG helps you demonstrate that you are doing what's practicable to meet your duties under the workplace health and safety laws. For more information, you can always visit us online at www.qed.com.au.